Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to remove background noise in Capcut. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the left search bar and type in Capcut and open Capcut. And here you can create a new project. I already have made a project for this video, so I click on the project and it will open up and then you import your video. So I have this video, so I will just add it to the timeline. So I just took a random video where there was background noise and then I have cut it down. So I basically just want to copy it so you can see the difference. So on the first video, I don't want to click on anything. But on the second video, I want to click the video and go up to the right where it says audio. Click on that one, scroll a little bit down and then click on reduce noise. And then you can see it says noise reduced. So if I play the both videos, you will see the difference.
This is how it sounds with the feature turned off. This is how it sounds with the feature turned off.
So as you can hear, it's a little bit different. It's much better, but that's how you reduce the background noise in Capcut.